Mastering research ethics training. Ethics training fuels research excellence, period. How do the key components of research ethics training, such as understanding of ethical principles, responsible conduct of research, and compliance with regulatory requirements, contribute to achieving operational excellence in research institutions, and what specific benefits do they bring to researchers, stakeholders, and the broader research community? Research ethics training is a vital component of research institutions, as it plays a crucial role in promoting operational excellence in research conduct. The key components of research ethics training, including understanding of ethical principles, responsible conduct of research, and compliance with regulatory requirements, are essential for ensuring that research is conducted with integrity, respect, and accountability. These components contribute significantly to achieving operational excellence in research institutions, bringing numerous benefits to researchers, stakeholders, and the broader research community. Understanding of ethical principles. One of the fundamental components of research ethics training is the understanding of ethical principles. Ethical principles such as respect for persons, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice serve as the foundation for responsible research conduct. Researchers who possess a deep understanding of these principles are better equipped to design and conduct studies that prioritize the safety, dignity, and well-being of participants. This understanding also enables researchers to anticipate and mitigate potential ethical issues that may arise during the research process. The understanding of ethical principles contributes to operational excellence in several ways. Firstly, it fosters a culture of respect and empathy within research institutions, where researchers prioritize the protection of human subjects and the responsible use of resources. Secondly, it enables researchers to make informed decisions about their research design, ensuring that their studies are scientifically valid, methodologically sound, and free from bias. Finally, it promotes transparency and accountability, as researchers are more likely to document and report their research findings accurately and honestly. Benefits to researchers. For researchers, the understanding of ethical principles brings several benefits. Firstly, it enhances their professional development, as they become more aware of the ethical implications of their research and the potential consequences of their actions. Secondly, it increases their credibility and reputation within the research community, as they are seen as responsible and accountable researchers. Finally, it enables them to conduct research that is more rigorous, valid, and reliable, which is essential for advancing knowledge and improving practice. Benefits to stakeholders. The understanding of ethical principles also benefits stakeholders, including research participants, research sponsors, and the broader research community. For research participants, it ensures that their rights and dignity are respected, and their safety and well-being are protected. For research sponsors, it provides assurance that their investments are being used responsibly and that the research is being conducted with integrity. For the broader research community, it promotes trust and credibility, as researchers are seen as committed to conducting research that is ethical, responsible, and of high quality. Responsible conduct of research. Another crucial component of research ethics training is the responsible conduct of research. This involves training researchers on best practices, guidelines, and standards for conducting research with integrity, including the proper handling of data, the avoidance of plagiarism and falsification, and the fair treatment of collaborators and colleagues. The responsible conduct of research is essential for achieving operational excellence in research institutions. It promotes a culture of accountability, transparency, and mutual respect, where researchers prioritize the integrity of their research and the well-being of their colleagues. It also ensures that research findings are reliable, valid, and generalizable, which is essential for informing policy, practice, and future research. Benefits to researchers. For researchers, the responsible conduct of research brings several benefits. Firstly, it enhances their credibility and reputation, as they are seen as responsible and accountable researchers. Secondly, it increases their confidence in their research findings, as they know that their data is accurate, reliable, and valid. Finally, it enables them to collaborate more effectively with their colleagues, as they are able to communicate effectively, share resources, and resolve conflicts in a constructive manner. Benefits to stakeholders. The responsible conduct of research also benefits stakeholders, including research participants, research sponsors, and the broader research community. For research participants, it ensures that their data is handled confidentially and that their privacy is respected. For research sponsors, it provides assurance that their investments are being used efficiently and effectively. For the broader research community, it promotes trust and credibility, as researchers are seen as committed to conducting research with integrity and accountability. Compliance with regulatory requirements. The final key component of research ethics training is compliance with regulatory requirements. This involves training researchers on relevant laws, regulations, and guidelines that govern research conduct, including those related to human subjects, animal research, and the environment. Compliance with regulatory requirements is essential for achieving operational excellence in research institutions. It ensures that research is conducted in accordance with relevant laws and regulations, which helps to prevent legal and ethical issues from arising. It also promotes a culture of accountability, as researchers are aware of their legal and ethical obligations and take steps to comply with them. Benefits to researchers. For researchers, compliance with regulatory requirements brings several benefits. Firstly, it reduces the risk of legal and ethical issues, which can damage their reputation and credibility. Secondly, it ensures that their research is conducted in accordance with best practices, which increases the validity and reliability of their findings. Finally, it enables them to obtain necessary approvals and permits, which is essential for conducting research that involves human subjects, animals, or the environment. Benefits to stakeholders. Compliance with regulatory requirements also benefits stakeholders, including research participants, research sponsors, and the broader research community. For research participants, it ensures that their rights and dignity are protected, and that they are not exposed to unnecessary risks or harms. For research sponsors, it provides assurance that their investments are being used responsibly and that the research is being conducted in accordance with relevant laws and regulations. For the broader research community, it promotes trust and credibility, as researchers are seen as committed to conducting research that is ethical, responsible, and compliant with relevant regulations. In conclusion, the key components of research ethics training, including understanding of ethical principles, responsible conduct of research, and compliance with regulatory requirements, are essential for achieving operational excellence in research institutions. These components bring numerous benefits to researchers, stakeholders, and the broader research community, including promoting a culture of respect, accountability, and transparency, ensuring the integrity of research findings, and protecting the rights and dignity of research participants. By prioritizing research ethics training, research institutions can foster a culture of operational excellence, where researchers are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and values necessary to conduct research that is ethical, responsible, and of high quality.